What if the secret to living past 100 isn't hidden in a lab, but in your first hour of the day? Harvard researchers spent years studying centenarians, and they found 5 morning rituals that change everything. First, they embraced the dawn. Waking with the sun isn't just a habit, it's biology. Natural morning light resets your circadian rhythm, slashing stress hormones before your first cup of coffee. Second, mindful movement. No intense gyms, just flow. Whether it's stretching or a brisk walk, they awaken the heart and boost circulation to the brain. Third, they fuel with intent. Forget sugary cereals. Think plant-heavy, whole foods that support gut health, the true engine of longevity. Finally, they never stop learning, and they never stop connecting. Whether it's a crossword or a quick call to a friend, keeping the mind sharp and the heart connected is the ultimate defense against aging. Longevity isn't a destination, it's a practice. Which of these will you start tomorrow? Subscribe for more science-backed secrets.